Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you tapped into the video, it's because you're trying to learn how to improve your credit score. If you're looking for ways to improve your credit, you're in the right place. Let's get right into the video. So in this video, we're going to be looking at Kickoff and all that it has to offer and the 6 ways that it can improve your credit score. So one of the first product that Kickoff offers is the credit account. This revolving line of credit tackles 3 things that can help you improve your credit score, which is payment history, utilization, and credit age. All you have to do is finance a purchase through the Kickoff credit account, and each of those payments will be recorded to Equifax and Experian. This will help you establish a solid payment history. And like I said, guys, payment history is 35% of your credit score, so that's one of the most important things you got to work on. But that's not all. That credit account is also going to help you reduce your utilization because it gives you a credit line of $750. And the cherry on top is if you keep this credit account open, it's like keeping a credit card open. The longer you have it open, the longer your age increases and that average goes up. And the age makes up 15%. So guys, you got to look at all these factors and understand basically the pie of credit to learn where you need to work on to keep improving your credit score. Always try to be as knowledgeable as possible. Let's get into the second thing. So the second thing we're going to look at is the Credit Builder loan account. So with this one, it's kind of like a savings account, but a savings account that is reporting to the bureaus. One of the main plans for this account is you can set aside $10 every month. At the end of the year, you have $120. And that $120, like I said, is basically being reported as payment history, and you're gonna get that money right back. But like I said, guys, this is good because it's a savings account, but it's being reported to the bureau. So imagine all that money that you be saving is being reported. A lot of people have a lot of money that they're spending and using, but they're not using it to help them report that positive credit to the bureaus. And number 3 is a Credit Plus Cash Card. This is a free secure credit card that works wonders by using daily transactions to help build your payment history. So by using this credit card responsibly and paying on time, like I said before, guys, you're going to improve your credit score by improving that payment history and also keeping that utilization down from these other accounts. So as you can see, this Kickoff software or product offers a lot of things to help you improve your credit score. So there you have it, guys. These are some of the products from Kickoff that can help you improve your credit score. Don't wait to improve your credit score. Go ahead and tap in right now. If you want to visit Kickoff to look for yourself at what product is best for you, the link is in the description. Go check them out and drop a comment below what goals you're trying to accomplish by improving your credit score.